what should I publish on Kindle Direct Publishing for Q4? What is going to make money this year? What is going to give me that passive income I want, or at least money in my bank account? Well, stay tuned, because in this episode, I'm going to tell you what niche that I'm super excited about and that I'm going to publish stuff in, and how you can learn more about it. All right. Hi, everybody. My name is Ashley, and I'm with Publish with Ashley, and I do YouTube. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel or join my Facebook group. And I talk about how to make money online, a lot about Kindle Direct Publishing and publishing low content books, but about Etsy and advertising. I'm going to have some advertising tips coming up in a few episodes. So stay tuned for all that. Okay, back to the topic. We're going to talk about what niche I'm super excited about. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. We're going to do activity books and coloring books. They are great for Q4 because they make such great gifts. Also, you can really delve down into the topics and kind of create niche specific ideas. And they are great when you can kind of, delve down a level or two, and then you can advertise to those, and you can do it pretty cheaply. All right. So let's go over to Amazon and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, here I am on Amazon, and I just wanted to show you that this is under kids activity books, and there are so many things you can do. You can do, trendy things like unicorn mermaids and things like that, but you can also delve down deeper into like this is Hello Fall. That's specifically for fall, but this is what I wanted to kind of show you, this art therapy activity for kids. This is really specific, and I love this type of stuff because you're looking for a specific audience. And yes, you won't maybe have the hugest audience of some of the bigger activity books and coloring books, but there's not many books in these smaller niches, and you can sell really well. And if you find that one of your books is selling, you can make a few more in that niche and see, how you can do. So it's great to do stuff like that. Fun with 50 states, this space one right here, and this states activity book. Look, 3,000 in the store, 6,000 in the store, 17,000. There are so many great books that you can do in activity books, and this is just in kids. And then there's coloring books and all that. There are so many things. Now, I know you guys are thinking, I don't know how to do a coloring book. That's really complicated. Well, that's why I actually wanted to show you this, because this is what I am doing. I am going to start this next week with Julie. She's doing this course. I'm taking this course. It is something I'm excited about. I've shown you guys this Julie stuff before because I really enjoy it. I like that she has timed lessons. They go over the course of the week, and you get just a lesson each day. She gives you all these sort of printables and ideas, and if you have questions, you can be in her Facebook group and ask a question, and she'll add videos. And she always has something to teach me. I've taken so many of her Q4 challenges, and every time I take one, I am so happy I did. So the great thing is, if you've been a little bit scared to try out your hand in activity books or coloring books because you just don't know where to start, Julie's great for that. She starts you from the beginning. If you know nothing, she will walk you through how to do everything. And that's what I really like of her, because I can learn something as someone who has, done these books and done activity books and done things, but I can learn something from her as kind of, an expert, shall we say. But also beginners can have a lot. So she has some great stuff in this Q4 challenge, and I'm super excited to take it next week. I will have my link in the show notes, and you can use my affiliate link. I'd appreciate that. But my bonus, okay, so if you do my bonus, what I'm actually going to do, let me go back to this page, is I'm going to go back and I'm going to tell you with research what niches I'm super excited about and things that I would definitely publish in. I'm going to go through those ideas, and then I'm going to talk about, here I actually have a little, there we go, my exclusive activity book niche ideas. Okay, so I'm going to go through and give you some great ideas. I'm going to tell you keyword ideas for those niches, and I'm going to tell you how I would run ads on those niches, and I'm going to do keywords for those ads. Now, this course is right at the moment, it's just filled out with the templates, but I'm going to be filling this out as I start doing some more research. As I go through her course, then I can offer, get some ideas, and then offer you guys some more ideas based upon my research. And so I thought this would be a really great course for me to go through, a great course to get some ideas, and then share those ideas with you guys, because I know as people who listen to my channel, you know, I have a ton of ideas and I'm never going to do them all. So I'm really excited to share ideas and give you guys ideas for the keywords, give you ideas for like ads, how I would run the ads, what I would run them against, and just give you kind of some strategies so that really if you could make a few of these activity books and put them on for Q4, really give you a chance of doing well for this Q4. All right, so that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm excited about. This is a short one today, but I just wanted to get this out here. This course is only opened until the 18th, so it's only open for a week. And if you guys are seeing this, I'm really excited to do this course with you. It starts next week. It is, you can get to it at any time, but it is a timed release in the sense that on Monday, the first content will come out, and then it's slowly drip throughout the week. So if you are interested, please take the challenge with me, my link, and if you use my link, do remember you get this awesome bonus right here, and I'm gonna be so excited to see you there. Okay, bye everybody.